Today I'm going to show you how to enable the mini menu when selecting text in Microsoft Edge. This is a really handy feature because it gives you quick access to common actions like copy, search, and more, right when you highlight text on a web page. If you've ever wanted a faster way to work in Edge, this setting can make browsing a lot smoother. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Let's get right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open Settings. From there, you'll want to go into the Appearance section in the Settings area. On the left side or within the Settings page, depending on your version of Edge, find and click Appearance. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps a lot of the visual and browsing interface options. Now scroll through the Appearance settings until you find the Context menu section. This is the area where Edge lets you control what appears when you right-click or select items on a page. Once you're in the Context menu section, look for the option that says Show Mini Menu when selecting text. You should see a toggle next to it. All you need to do is switch that toggle on. As soon as you enable it, Edge will start showing the mini menu whenever you highlight text on a web page. To test it, go to any website, select a word or sentence, and you should see the small menu appear near your selection. This makes it much easier to act on text without having to right-click or go hunting through menus. If you ever want to turn it off later, just come back to the same setting and toggle it back off. And that's it! You've successfully enabled the mini menu when selecting text in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple guides like this, and I'll see you in the next one.